Hi guys, welcome back to the Gadgets Wheel. Today, we're coming up with the top 20 kitchen gadgets that you should have in your kitchen. So without wasting more time, let's jump to the video. Number 1. Silicone Garlic Peeler. Are you tired of using a knife or getting your hands stinky while peeling garlic? With this garlic peeler, you can peel garlic in seconds without the mess. Simply place a clove of garlic inside the silicone tube and roll it back and forth with your hand. The skin will effortlessly slip off, leaving you with perfectly peeled garlic every time. Number 2. Dumpling Maker. With this 19-hole dumplings mold, you'll be able to make perfect dumplings every time. We need to prepare the dumpling fillings of our choice. Once we have the fillings ready, we'll take a wrapper and place it in each hole of the mold. Then using a spoon or our fingers, we'll place the filling in the center of the wrapper. Now, we'll close the mold to seal the dumpling. Once it is sealed, we'll open the mold to release the dumpling. And look, we have a perfectly shaped dumpling ready to be cooked. And that's it. With this 19-hole dumplings mold, you'll be able to make perfect dumplings every time. Number 3. Multifunctional Egg Beater. Have you ever struggled with kitchen tasks like whipping cream or serving pasta? Or have you ever struggled to serve spaghetti or noodles without burning your hands or making a mess? Let's start with a whisk. With the manual whisk, you can control the speed and amount of air you incorporate, giving you perfect whipped cream every time. No more tired arms or batteries to replace. With these tongs, you can easily lift and serve hot pasta without any hassle. The multifunctional manual whisk 2-in-1 kitchen food tongs will make your cooking and serving tasks so much easier and enjoyable. Number 4. U-shaped cleaning brush. Do you have a hard time cleaning the inside of your drinking cups and vacuum flasks? Well, today we're going to show you how this amazing U-shaped cup mount cleaning brush can make cleaning so much easier and more efficient. Just insert the brush into your cup and twist it around, and you'll have a perfectly clean cup in no time. It's also easy to clean and store, making it the perfect tool for anyone who wants a clean and hygienic kitchen. So, if you're tired of struggling to clean the inside of your cups and vacuum flasks, this cleaning brush is the solution you've been looking for. Number 5. Mask Strap Holder. The problem with wearing a mask for extended periods is that the ear loops can cause irritation, pain, and redness. The adjustable lanyard face mask extender is an easy and convenient solution. Simply attach it to your mask's ear loops and adjust it to your preferred length. It relieves pressure from your ears greatly. Number 6. Knife Sharpener. Do you struggle with dull, ineffective knives in your kitchen? Dull knives not only make cooking a struggle, they can also be dangerous to use. Soak the whetstone in water for at least 10 minutes, place the whetstone on a non-slip surface. Flip the knife over and repeat the process on the other side. Move on to the fine side of the stone to refine the edge. Repeat the process until you achieve a razor-sharp edge. Say goodbye to dull, ineffective knives and hello to precision cutting with the knife sharpener whetstone. Number 7. 4-in-1 Medicine Storage Box. Are you tired of juggling multiple containers and tools when it comes to taking your medication? The hassle of keeping track of multiple containers and trying to cut pills correctly can be frustrating and time-consuming. So, get this 4-in-1 portable 4-layer powder tablet grinder. Place your pill into the grinder, close the top layer and twist to grind the pill into a fine powder. Open the second layer to reveal the pill splitter. Place your pill into the splitter and press down to split it in half. The bottom 2 layers can be used for the storage of pills or powdered medication. Number 8. 6-in-1 Vegetable Cutter. Here comes 6-in-1 Multifunctional Vegetable Cutter. This handy kitchen tool allows you to cut, slice, and grate all your vegetables with just one device. Here's how to use it. Select the desired blade attachment for the type of cut you want. Place the vegetable onto the blade and apply pressure to it. Swap the blade attachment as desired for different cuts and preparations. Number 9. 3-in-1 Vegetable Corer. The 3-in-1 vegetable and fruit coring machine. Using the machine is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just place your fruit or vegetable into the designated area. Press down on the handle and voila! You have perfectly cut and cored produce ready for cooking and eating. Without this machine, you may face the problem of uneven cuts or difficulty in removing the seeds and core from your fruits and vegetables. Number 10. Head Massage Brush. The silicone bristles are gentle on your scalp, yet firm enough to provide an invigorating massage. Wet your hair thoroughly, apply shampoo to your scalp. Use the shampoo brush head massage brush to gently scrub your scalp in circular motions. Rinse your hair with water. Without this brush, shampooing your hair can be a chore. Traditional brushes can cause irritation and scratching on the scalp, leading to itching and discomfort. Number 11. Wall-mounted storage holder. This innovative shelf has been designed to help you organize your kitchen and bathroom essentials in a neat and efficient manner. It's made of high-quality material and can be easily mounted on any wall. Choose the wall you'd like to mount the shelf on. Make sure it's a solid surface that can support the weight of your items. Place your sponges, soap, or any other kitchen or bathroom essentials on the shelf. Number 12. Wall-mounted spice rack. Do you struggle to find a place to store all of your spices and seasonings? Do they take up valuable counter space and make your kitchen look cluttered? This wall-mounted spice rack keeps your spices and seasonings off the counter and within easy reach. The compact design of the storage box maximizes space and keeps your spices organized. Plus, it's punch-free and easy to install, so you can have it up and running in no time. Number 13. Kitchen spice rack. When it comes time to cook, it can be difficult to find the spice you need quickly and efficiently. But with a kitchen spice rack organizer, you can easily keep your spices in order and within reach. No more searching through piles of jars to find the one you need. With clearly labeled jars, you can see at a glance what spice you need, saving time and reducing frustration in the kitchen. Number 14. Pot lid holder. When you're in the middle of cooking, finding the right lid for the right pot can be a real hassle. But with a pot lid holder, you can keep your lids organized and within reach. No more searching through piles of lids to find the one you need. With a compact design, a pot lid holder can save valuable counter space, giving you more room to prepare your meals. Number 15. Washboard Laundry Mat. With this personal laundry socks small washboard laundry mat, you can easily wash your small items without worrying about damaging them in the washing machine. You can take the washboard with you anywhere, making it easy to wash small items on the go. Number 16. Waterproof toilet seat cover. When it comes to public restrooms, it can be difficult to find a clean and comfortable place to sit. But with a handled waterproof toilet seat cover, you can have a clean and comfortable place to sit, no matter where you are. And with its waterproof design and easy-to-use handle, the handled waterproof toilet seat cover is both hygienic and convenient to use. Number 17. Dental Floss Dispenser. This portable dental floss dispenser toothpicks with thread holder will help you a lot. This is so much easier to use. The thread holder keeps the floss from tangling, and the toothpicks make it simple to clean all those hard-to-reach spaces. With its compact and portable design, you can take the portable dental floss dispenser toothpicks with thread holder with you anywhere. Number 18. Collapsable Laundry Bag. This wall-mounted folding bathroom laundry basket, the perfect solution for storing and organizing your laundry in the bathroom. The basket can be easily mounted on the wall, making it a great space-saving solution. The basket has a large capacity, so it can hold multiple loads of laundry at once. The basket can be folded back against the wall, keeping your bathroom neat and organized. Number 19. Kitchen Preparation Plate. This multifunctional side dish artifact preparation vegetable folding shelf is here to solve some problems. This wall-mounted storage rack provides you with ample space to prepare your ingredients and side dishes. The folding shelf can be easily opened and closed, giving you more counter space when you need it and taking up less space when you don't. Freeing up valuable cabinet space, and when not in use, the shelf can be easily folded against the wall. Number 20. Rotating Seasoning Rack. No more digging through cluttered cabinets to find the right spice. The rack brings all your spices to your fingertips. The seasoning rack has multiple levels, each level holding multiple spice jars. You can store all your spices in one convenient location, saving you time and making cooking more efficient. We hope you enjoyed the video and found some new and exciting gadgets to add to your kitchen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. As always, we love to hear from you, so drop us a comment with your favorite kitchen gadget. Until next time, happy cooking!